Today, Filipinos across the nation commemorates the 156th birth anniversary of Dr. Jose Rizal, one of the country's most revered national heroes. Rizal, born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna, is honored for his contributions to Philippine literature and the fight for independence, inspiring generations to strive for freedom and justice. Celebrating Laguna Day, various activities honored his memory, including a wreath-laying ceremony led by Manila City Mayor Honey Lacuna Pangan at the Rizal Park Monument. His legacy continues to serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for a better future for the Philippines.
Ay napakahalaga po para po tayo patuloy na pinaalalahanan lahat po ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas kung ano po ang naiambag ni Gato Jose Rizal para po sa atin pong kasarinlan. So napaka-importante po na gunitain natin every June 19 ang kanyang kapanganakan.